Helping others is important, and it doesn't hurt a bit. Who did Thomas help with the troublesome trucks? Try again. Who did Thomas help with the troublesome trucks? Sorry, try again next time. Who did Thomas help fix the broken bridge? Try again. Who did Thomas help fix the broken bridge? Sorry, try again next time. Who did Thomas help when he was overheated? Try again. Who did Thomas help when he was overheated?